Bhuvan, hi, hello, how are you?
Yeah, ma'am, I am fine. How are you?
I am good too, I'm good too. How have you been? It's really good to see you after so many days.
Yeah, ma'am.
How have you been?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm doing great.
Great?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Everything is good in your area?
Ma'am, I think everything is not good in my area, I think.
Okay.
Uh, just because of, I think you have heard the news in Uttarakhand, forest fire.
Yes, yes, I did hear about it.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Because at this time I'm talking to you, so the forest around to me is still are burning here.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. So, what is the solution for this? How is it going to get under control?
Solution is this, ma'am. I think mainly forest department should think about it, and
Yes.
basically, yeah, basically, I think in our forest department uh, is not modern, and they have not well equipment, and they have
Mm-hmm.
lack of staff.
Right.
Yeah, so they should think about it because
Yes.
if I would, yeah, because since yesterday, uh, we have been not able to breathe properly, and still we have been facing eye irritation.
Oh my God. Because of the smoke that is there in the
Yeah,
air, right?
yeah, because
Oh my
yeah,
God.
the smoke due
That
to
is
smoke.
bad.
Yeah, due to
Yeah.
smoke. Yeah, due to smoke, even I am not able to open properly my eye. So the same situation I have seen in metro cities in winter time. So the
That is
same,
very common here also.
yeah. So now it is very common. So now it is very
Yes.
common is here in Uttarakhand, I think.
Uttarakhand, yeah.
Yeah,
Because I think every year it happens that a forest fire is bound to happen in that area. Because
yeah.
the sun, forest fire I think is of natural causes only, right?
No,
Because
no,
the
no,
sun
no,
shines
ma'am.
too
No, no,
brightly.
no, no, ma'am. It is not natural,
Okay.
uh, not
All
natural
right.
causes. Actually, I am 1 or 2 days before back. I was reading newspaper. So I think
Okay.
in India, 96% times fire which is
Okay.
fire made by human.
All
96%.
right.
96%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So
So
the current fire that is there in Uttarakhand forest,
yeah,
that is also because of human causes.
yeah, just yeah, because of
Oh
human
my God, this is
because of
bad.
human
Because
causes.
I was under the impression that forest fires are natural, that because of those dry leaves and the when the sun is shining too brightly, so those dry leaves they catch fire, and that is how it gets spread to the entire forest.
No, no, ma'am. I think this is 4%. You are
4%
talking
is
about
natural cause. Okay, okay,
4% is
got
natural
it.
cause, but 96% time is human cause.
Humans. Oh my
Human cause.
God, this is bad.
Yeah,
Uh
and
huh.
ma'am, this time is it very massive fire? Like we have separated from UP, I think in 2000.
Okay.
So since 2000, uh, and this is 2021,
2021. Right.
2021. So this is the biggest fire in since then.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you think the government is doing something to make it stop, or for the people who are living around those forests, you guys are facing a lot of trouble, health
Yeah.
problems also. Then natural resources are getting, I would say, they are getting damaged too. So, there is
Yeah.
nothing that is going on from the government side.
Um, some days before, government has deployed NDRF teams
Okay.
and also helicopter to dose the fire. But I
Mm-hmm.
don't think so. Uh, like it can be better. Can be better if government think about forest. So it can be better because.
Yes.
But I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah.
No. I feel really bad because in other states the biggest problem is going on is that of coronavirus, but in Uttarakhand this is a whole other problem.
Yeah.
That is bad. So how
Yeah.
is the situation over there when I talk about corona? Is that under control?
Yeah, Corona is under control. I think 400 or 500 new cases are coming in every day, and
Yeah.
in our capital Dehradun. In
Mhm.
Dehradun, I think night curfew has imposed there, only night curfew. But yeah, all
It's
district,
here also. In Delhi
yeah,
also we have got under night curfew.
night curfew, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But
But
in my, yeah,
yeah, I
yeah,
don't
but
think Delhi is going to go under lockdown. Uh, that is a question, if our state is going to go under lockdown, because there are people here who are living on daily wages, right? They will
yeah,
face a lot of trouble if Delhi goes under lockdown. So I don't think, but if this keeps spreading at this rate, then lockdown will be the only solution.
yeah. I think because
Mhm.
actually area-wise Delhi is very small, very very small, and means in Delhi a very small people in a very small places a large number of people live there in Delhi. So
Oh yes, true.
means high number of density, high density
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
here in Delhi. So
Absolutely.
yeah,
That is why the spread of the virus, it became very rapid over here.
yeah, very rapid. Yeah,
First of all, telling people they don't care about the rules. They are
yeah,
not scared at all. Well, we are daredevils
yeah,
here. It's like it's fine. It's nothing over here. That is the biggest problem here. Biggest problem.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
but anyway. Hmm. So in
yeah,
your area, the continuous supply of daily essentials and everything that is not stopped, right? It is continuing the way
yeah,
it
yeah,
used
yeah,
to.
yeah, 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 yeah.
That
It
is
is
that is good.
continuing. Yeah,
Hmm.
and in means in here people also are like not aware about coronavirus. Like people are used to. I think people have been used to this. Like it's
Yes,
okay.
exactly.
Yeah, like it's okay.
Everybody, they have gotten this feeling that we are ready to die of corona, but
Yeah,
we don't want to die of hunger or unemployment or poverty. That is a
yeah,
big statement that Indian people are making over here. They are not scared of the virus. They're like, it's fine. If we are dying of the virus, that is okay with us. We don't want to die of hunger, poverty, and unemployment. We cannot do that. Sorry.
yeah, yeah,
It
yeah.
is a good thing. But anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. You were planning to come to Delhi. What happened about it? I think it is not going to happen.
Yeah, ma'am, I was planning, but I think like in this time it is a very tough situation, and I
Very,
have
oh my God.
and I think this is not the high time to go Delhi.
No. And I don't know when exactly your plan is going to get executed. That
Yeah,
last time when we talked, I think it was 2 months back. At that time, we were discussing that you were planning to come to Delhi.
yeah, 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 ma'am. Yeah, it was I think February. It was February.
February.
Yeah,
Right,
it was
right.
February. Yeah,
That- but I don't think it is going to happen anytime soon.
yeah,
Hmm. What about the vaccination? Are you planning on getting vaccinated?
yeah. But ma'am, in our Uttarakhand, mainly people who are means who are over 40, 45 years.
Okay, that is the rule over there.
Yeah, that is the rule over here. Yeah. And what
Okay.
about Delhi?
Because in Delhi, they are saying that above 18, you can go for vaccination.
Okay, okay. So you
Yeah,
have
that is
been?
what they're saying. No, I haven't. I haven't. Because I heard about these vaccines that, they were having a lot of side effects. So I got scared. I'm like, no, please. I don't want it. My father is registered for tomorrow. He's going tomorrow for his vaccination first dose.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
and my parents also have vaccinated.
Oh, wow. Okay. So did they get any side effects?
No, no, no. They don't get any side effect. Even my grandmother, she is I think more than 85 years old.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so yeah, so she also has get vaccinated.
Oh, wow. That is nice. It is
Yeah,
good that there are no side effects.
yeah, yeah.
There
There are
is
no
this
side effects.
theory that is going around that if the person who has been vaccinated, he gets this fever and what do we call? I don't know if it was sore arm or something. I don't know. Then it is said that the vaccine is actually working on your body. If
Okay.
you are not getting any side effects and you feel fine, then there are chances the vaccine is not working. And I'm like, What is which is the right statement here? That is very confusing. But
Yeah, yeah,
I don't know. I don't know.
yeah.
All we can do is get vaccinated, but the vaccinated people as well are getting infected. That is the biggest
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
And I think daily cases are daily new cases are very high. I think 1 lakh or
Oh
one lakh
yes,
50,000 cases are increasing day
absolutely.
by day.
I'm very worried. Very worried.
And I
But
think,
what can
yeah,
we do?
and I think some state like Madhya Pradesh, I think
Hmm.
Madhya Pradesh has complete lockdown for 2 days, Saturday,
Maharashtra
Sunday, I think.
also.
Maharashtra
Maharashtra
also,
also.
Maharashtra
Yes.
also, yeah,
Today there was this news that Maharashtra has gone into lockdown for full 7 days.
7 days.
Yes, 7 days
Oh,
complete lockdown. How will they survive? I am very worried.
yeah,
But I don't think we have a solution or we are ever going to have a solution for this because it's a
yeah,
virus.
yeah.
It
It's a virus,
mutates continuously.
completely muted, yeah, and
Yeah.
the mutant is it's very severe,
Yes. The second
very
wave,
severe,
they are saying it is very, very severe and
very severe than
the
earlier.
effects also. It's
Yeah,
like people are not getting any symptoms in this one.
hmm,
So
yeah,
they are not ready before they are actually getting affected in a in a vast sense. This is the
yeah,
problem in this wave. Earlier you used to get a little fever, cough, so immediately you would get yourself checked,
yeah,
quarantine yourself, done.
yeah.
But here it's like, oh my god. I
Like,
would say, Bhuvan, stay safe, please.
yeah, yeah, ma'am, I'm completely safe here, completely safe, because in my village only 35 to 40 people lives here, so
Yes, yes.
so we are completely safe here. And
Yeah.
I I think in village people they have good immunity. So I
They eat everything is desi over there, right? 100% pure. That
yeah
is why.
100%, yeah 100% pure. Like we use
Yeah.
cow's milk. We have our own
Mm-hmm.
cows, so we use cow's milk. And there are we grow vegetables like garlic, like onion,
Mm-hmm.
like coriander,
Wow.
turmeric,
Okay.
like all the things we grow here.
You have your own kitchen garden?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. So what all crops are you growing?
uh, Actually I grow bitter gourd,
Okay.
bitter gourd and
Mm-hmm.
pumpkin,
Mm-hmm.
and what is the bhindi, what we call lady
Bhindi
finger.
is actually lady finger and the
Yeah,
biological name is okra. Yeah. So you can say lady finger or okra.
yeah, lady finger.
Okay.
Yeah,
Lady finger.
like all kind of seasonal vegetables we grow here, all kind of like
That is so nice. So everything
yeah,
is, pure without any preservatives or chemicals. Absolutely pure.
yeah, absolutely pure, absolutely pure.
Yes, that's so nice. You
Yeah,
have your own cow?
yeah, we have 2 cows.
Wow, this is so nice.
Yeah,
And the ghee also, right? The ghee is also prepared at home in your area.
yeah, 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 yeah,
You
yeah,
know how to make ghee?
yeah, my mother prepared ghee.
Okay. Have you ever tried?
Yeah, I have many times tried.
Oh, wow,
Yeah.
that is so nice. I don't know. There is this wooden apparatus that is used to take out ghee from milk. Is it so?
No, actually, through milk, like first we have to convert our milk to curd, curd.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we can take ghee from curd.
Okay, that's very nice. So you have
Yeah, yeah,
tried, right? Because I have
yeah,
heard that it is a very tedious process.
yeah. I have tried many
Mm-hmm.
times, many times, because
Okay.
from my childhood, since my childhood,
Mm-hmm.
we have cows always, always we have cows, always,
Always. Yes.
always. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This is good. You know how to cook also?
Yeah, I know very well. Yeah, I know how to cook. Yeah, and I can cook all the
Oh
things.
my God. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So what
because
are things have you tried?
hmm, sorry,
What all things have you tried cooking?
like ma'am, I can cook anything because yeah, because when I completed my 12th, so after completing my 12th, I used to
Mm-hmm.
live in Hazwani for college.
Yes, you told me, yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so there I also cook. Like I was the one who cooked for myself.
Wow, that is so
Yeah,
nice. Okay.
yeah,
And so
yeah,
all the sabzi, roti, everything you can
yeah,
cook.
yeah. So I know like all the things how to cook. I can easily cook.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
That's very
like
nice. You can make perfectly round rotis.
yeah, round rotis. Very,
That is
very,
brilliant,
very
Bhuvan.
easily.
Brilliant,
Very
Bhuvan.
easily.
Uh-huh.
Means very easily.
Very
And
easily. Oh my
yeah,
God.
very easily. And I love cooking. Really, I love
Mm-hmm.
cooking. I love cooking.
You love cooking.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
is the main factor. If you love cooking, then whatever you're preparing, it will be absolutely delicious.
yeah,
No doubt.
yeah,
I'm very happy you know so many things. Oh my God. You don't need anybody, okay? You are self dependent and you can do everything on your own. Wow. That
yeah.
is very nice. Okay, anyway. Bhuvan, your time is about to get up, so I would like to correct one or two sentences.
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In first sentence, you said that the forests around to me, they're still burning,
yeah.
right? So there is no need for two in between.
Okay.
It's just you can say the surrounding forest over here or
Yeah, still
the
burning.
forest around me. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, no need to add
Yeah.
around to me.
Okay. Only
Okay,
around. Yeah.
right? Yeah. And then there was 35 to 40 people lives here,
Yeah.
right?
35 to
So
40 people
35 to 40 people live
live
here,
here.
yes.
Live.
Because
Not as.
people
Yeah.
is a plural word, right? It is used for
Plural.
more than two. Whenever it's plural,
Yeah.
so your verb, the company, no need for an S over there.
Yeah.
Okay? So it just has
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
be
Yeah.
35 to 40 people live here.
People live here. So, ma'am, 45 to
Live here.
50 people. We can use S with people or not? With
No,
people.
people in itself is plural. Yeah. You don't
Okay.
have to add
Okay.
people.
Okay. It's
It's just people.
just people. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am talking about the verb live. You said lives, right?
Yeah.
So there is no need for an S over there in live.
Yeah. Because people is. Yeah. Because people is also plural.
Plural.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Got. Got it.
Okay.